Oh, hi guys! It's finally here! Oh my gosh, 11 Pro Max. Well, after a couple of days of waiting and waiting for UPS to deliver my phone, I finally got my phone. It's here now. Okay, new color. Let's hear how it looks like. So let's do this. We're gonna do it. We're gonna see what's inside. Oh, that feels so good. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Look, so this phone has 3 cameras now. This one right here, wide angle camera. This one, ultra wide angle. And this is your telephoto. So now your phone is basically your telescope. How cool is that? Okay, let's explore a little bit more. Look at the color. This is the new color. Midnight green. It comes in other 4 colors as well. But this color looks like military. And then this camera can shoot in like 4K. How cool is that? And also it can take a selfie. So selfies in slow motion. Professional selfies are always a cool idea, I feel. Yeah, this is a stainless steel, and this piece right here is all glass. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. You have your earphones, lightning, you have your charger. This charger is different now. It's a USB-C to lightning. You have your charger. I heard the charger, it can, with fast charge, it can charge up to 50% in like 30 minutes. That's pretty cool. I need a fast charging. And then, what about this phone is also IP68, which is the same as the other ones. Then you have your, ta-da, take out your SIM card, and what else? Stickers. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the first Pro in the iPhones. I'm going to show you guys in the next video how cool the camera is, and I also bought a screen protector. I'm going to show you guys in the next video how to put it on. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.